mother is the mother most
chameleon. Yeah.
What about Mother Christodon? Mother Stellodon?
I love to say not their mother.
I guess. Whatever you say. Whatever helps you sleep at night.
Okay, whatever you believe.
Oh yeah, I got a spine.
Mosasaurus just spawned.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. I just got a hammer hug for free.
Y'all wanna go kill it?
Everyone tells you,
Dude,
bro.
come on, we gotta go kill it.
Yeah, now
Wait,
bring that
whose
little hammerhead over here.
Mosasaurus is this?
Bring that little hammerhead over here, Godzilla.
No. Yeah, now I'm faster than you.
Yeah,
Nah, you're not.
Hey, yo, Mosasaurus dude, what level is that? I haven't.
Level 40.
Yo, come kill Mosasaurus.
Yeah,
I'm just taking this so I can finish this.
come on.
No,
Moses.
Yo, guys, go buy here. I'm buying weapons.
He's buying rock.
Going down.
Rock. Oh, man. I got like 50 different rocks, guys. Oh, man. I bought crossbow.
Hammer no. Hey, hammer no.
There's like 5 of them. I'm a whale. We could tell you're a whale.
Let me just leave that guy.
Bro doesn't know that you can get pterodactyl with your fist.
There's no pterodactyl, buddy. I'm not stupid.
Bro, what do you think we're going to?
Come on, dude.
We're going to pterodactyl. We're going to the underwater pterodactyl.
Oh my, what level is that? What level is that guy? Dude, it's not even a high level. What level is he? It's like, I don't know, level something, 20? Yeah, it's level 23. That's high. No, it's not. What level is that?
40.
Yo, trust.
40?
And come out here, I can show you how properly big it is.
Oh, what? Could I trade for that?
I can't even see you.
Wait, could I trade for that? I'll give you a mosasaurus and some ads.
What level? Most of
15 mosasaurus is almost the same exact color as that.
Nah, I'm after a level 50 and I'm
wait,
also adding other stuff.
Wait, I could add though, I could add.
No, I'm after a level 50.
No, stop trying to push me in. Bill, no one is gonna give you a 50.
I'm trading. Dude, I'm literally trading this and other stuff for level 50.
Is mosasaurus here? That says 6 million.
Bro, Ryan Butler, bro. It's
Fishing.
Yeah, that's pterodactyl.
Bro has 2
That's
eyes.
not
Like,
pterodactyl.
look.
What's a Mosasaurus?
No, it's not. That's alpha pterodactyl.
What's Mosasaurus?
Like, look.
Alpha pterodactyl.
He closes
Whatever
his
you're
eye.
on about, bro.
Like, he blinks, but there's still an eye. Sort of closed.
What is a mosasaurus?
Now you need to fix that with the texture.
It's
the thing right there.
That's
No,
a
that's alpha
pterodactyl, bro.
That's the pterodactyl.
No, it ain't. Yes, it is, bro. What do you mean? You don't know your dinosaurs.
Is it in the big pond?
So of course,
Oh my god, this thing.
It doesn't even feel like a fish.
Literally a pterodactyl. What do you mean?
No, it
This is
ain't.
a
A,
Fishy.
Bro doesn't know his dinos. That's crazy.
it ain't a.
That's a pterodactyl.
let me swim.
No, it ain't a terror.
No, it's a pterodactyl. Yo, why is that dude alive? Yo, okay. It's a flapper.
Alright, buddy, bro. That's
No,
a
it's a soup
pterodactyl.
jar.
There's no denying it. That's a
This is a pterodactyl.
If
it's almost dead, then how am
If
I
you talk to a professional and you show them that, you
Then
say,
how
yeah,
come I'm swimming fast?
because pterodactyls can swim, duh.
Oh, let's go. I love catching tiny fish.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
hammerhead flies.
Tiny fish are so
It's flying
cute.
right now.
Oh, yeah, so
Yeah,
it's
see,
good
I'm
for
fine.
everything.
Yeah, see? The hammerhead flies. Oh, the
Look
hammerhead
at there.
died and flies, bro.
You wanna go
And
in
the
there,
pterodactyl
fishy?
fly- and the pterodactyl swim. Yeah, and that's why he's a boss. That's a pterodactyl.
Hey, you're level
Wait,
24.
I'm actually
Even though we killed baby fish. But you're level 24. That's good.
No. Like my hammerhead's drowning, but I
You're
don't
a
care. I want this
pterodactyl.
pterodactyl freaking baby.
then
Yeah, let's get pterodactyl away. Let's get
No, it doesn't even lay in there. Pterodactyl.
Oh, okay. Then we're just going to stop by this.
Oh my gosh.
No, you get a baby.
gotta eat them so
You
they
get a
don't
baby.
revive.
Alright.
Say something. When this and it doesn't, and we get
Alright, look
the
up.
egg with
I'm gonna
kids.
feed.
If it doesn't drop the gold, we got the
You ate well, buddy. You ate well.
If it doesn't drop the skull, then we got the egg.
Wait, where's my
Oh,
dino?
no, yeah, that's what happens. If you
Yeah,
run,
but
but
we're-
as the egg, it doesn't drop the skull. But it doesn't.
See the egg until we see the egg.
Don't, yeah, until we see the egg. Don't look for the gems, look for the skull to spawn. If skull doesn't spawn from the gem egg, then it means not egg. No, what thing you look for? Look for skull.
Holy,
Stop pushing me, guys.
Yo,
actually, I might have got an egg in
I'm
the
gonna have to do it, bro.
Oh my god. okay.
Yeah, I just
Okay.
realized now.
yeah, you did.
I've seen it. I've seen eggs not
La
drop
dee
skull
lee
that
lee
much.
lee,
It does
la
so.
dee la.
It turns out
La.
it's got an egg like all these times because it blends in, so I never saw it. The mosasaurus egg. No,
And red. And the tarts you see blue
Oh,
and
bro.
red.
That's the first time I've got
Yeah,
to
red water.
blue ladder.
Shut up.
True, but we're in heaven.
no, this is just red
So
ball.
we are in heaven.
Don't keep them all in the middle.
Oh,
This is the one I got. This is the one I got the egg.
I saw it most.
Wait, who this? Oh!
No. Oh, wait, is this it? So what we could do? Everyone on the right. Do everyone.
Look.
Leave the middle for last because middle is always the unlucky one.
Ryan bottled, by the way.
Heal.
If it's above water. Jeez, no.
Right, that one. You know, skull. We got skull. We got skull.
Don't eat it.
Anybody
Don't
want-
eat it.
Anybody want a
Don't eat
skull?
it. Don't eat it.
Oh,
Stop
yeah,
it.
don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Go on, just-
Ender dingus.
Why would you do that, Ender?
Yo, Ender Dingus,
Oh,
why
I
did
got
you
it.
bring Cell Type dummies, bro? Get out of here.
Oh, you got that info.
You ate the
360.
you ate the skull, bro.
No, I
Ender
didn't.
dingus.
I'm
dare you
doing this. I'm going to
accuse me of
skin
that?
your entire
Yes, you did.
family alive and torture them for 3 hours.
For
Why?
free.
You go. Do that.
Yeah, at a Pacific time too. It's crazy. Yo, but does anybody have a mosasaurus?
No.
No.
I
If you
do.
have a mosasaurus, can I please trade?
Sure.
Alright.
I don't have a mosasaurus, guys.
So like, I'll trade you. What do you want?
Wait, Ollie.
I'm over here. I'm
We're going
very
for a
Trade
try.
my
slow.
mosasaurus, bro. Chill.
Hi, mosasaurus.
Oh, that's a giant mosasaurus. You'll have to do something extra.
I'll
You
give
could
you.
look at the mosasaurus he has, bro.
I'll give you a
Oh my
skeleton.
god. Let's crap.
I'll give you a skeleton.
I don't know where you got
A
that.
Dilophosaurus
Oh, who's
Hey.
a good little sharky?
and its mother.
Who's a good boy?
Yeah, no.
Please, I've been looking for him, but
Dude,
nobody.
you see that mosasaurus? You are not getting that, bro. That is a titan. A little kaiju,
Very
bro.
sharp.
Octopus.
He makes my baby
That is
mosasaurus
an
look like an
octopus.
actual baby.
Wait, guys, what do you even get from the octopus?
Spino egg.
Oh,
Look.
spine.
Zero. I
Oh.
caught a 0.
I need a Spinos. I need a Spino. It's a 1%
don't.
chance.
It is. It actually is. It's
Wait, I have a
like,
full thought that's I haven't thought the octopus before. What does it do?
Oh my god.
What does the octopus even do?
I've caught
Grab two.
this fish 31 times.
Oh, that's not that nice.
How many times?
I've been trying to do it before.
I've caught the chicken fish 100 times.
I caught it. For
How do you
You just push the water up.
Yo, sorry.
Can you like
I'm
not
also-
just fall on me?
Okay, go on.
Well, I'm also trying to level
I'm pushing the
level 26.
Yeah, I think that's
No,
already
I mean-
leveled up.
Yeah, but it needs to be a level 50.
I wanna level 101 just to see how big it is, you know?
Oh, well, it stopped growing at level 50 and level 50s are larger than a level 100 Megalodon.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, I caught bait fish.
Dude, my favorite thing in the fishing update is when you actually catch a baby fish. It's so funny.
Hey, move. Move or I will tell this dude to eat you.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell him to eat them.
The only thing they added this update
Yeah,
is that
my dude is absolutely.
Oh, I thought this was a tiny fish.
Well, what is it? Oh, it's a shell. Ew. Shell. I caught fish underwater.
Stop saying that.
Does anybody have
Dude, you
mosasaurus? Anybody?
me, I do. I'm over at the new map.
Does anybody have mosasaurus?
Me, I'm over here.
Can I offer?
Sure. It has to be really good because it's a huge one.
How huge?
Oh, yeah.
What level is that?
Level 40.
I don't know. You got what's good for it, man.
You got good color.
Because everybody with the level 10 mosasaurus, they always go for my best type. They go for my best type.
Yeah, and this is living kite.
Oh,
And I'm looking for a level 10 or something lower. But
This
for that
one-
thing,
bro, this one is just like cheese.
Actually, he's in lava. And he's bouncing. Dude, try to bounce on my dude. He's like a bouncy castle.
Anybody got Mother Mosa?
I don't.
I have two Moses and one of them is a mother.
Mommy,
I got-
yes, it's level 50
I got
or
four-
something.
I
No,
got
it's
four
a level
Moses.
0.
Hey, dude,
Yeah.
put your hands up.
Wait.
Yo,
Hold on.
yo, dude, put your hands up.
Hey, Troy.
I don't level it up.
Yo, dude,
Who are you?
bro, look, look. Look at
I'm
me,
over
bro.
here with a master.
Yo, Brandon,
Okay, right here.
look.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is my offer.
and then when I take it, I'm gonna scare
Today.
just be some.
My offer is a Mother Sutra, Bundle Spino, another Mosa, and a push order. Just one Mother Mosa.
Guys, look what I found.
Could I tell
Look
you
what I
something?
found. This, you know what this is? Your heart.
People have tried to offer me for
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
people been offering
I didn't do
me
this.
for a bundle for
Oh my god.
So you're not gonna do it?
yeah, no.
Oh, a shell.
Sorry.
It was kung fu.
I'm never gonna get one. Why do I even try?
But dude, I can tell you the what's it
Chopstick.
can give you it.
What?
Hey,
There's
that's
a
my
one
key.
specific egg that
Give
can
me back thy
give
key.
you mother.
Don't you die.
Well, then,
Can you know?
No.
Don't you die. Can you tell me that?
It is It is the worst egg. It's the middle egg.
For me, it's the
Scrubber,
right eggs.
scrubber.
The right eggs always have the golden egg. I mean, not the golden egg, the egg.
Yeah, and every time I got it,
Oh,
like
yeah, I'm not
the
gonna
4
change that.
times, I had
If I get the most nuggets, I'll just
it
have
was
it
the
ready.
middle egg.
If it, I
I'm
don't get
just
I
gonna
don't
play
want,
the game. I'm never gonna end up getting one of those. Why would I?
Dude, it's in the middle egg, okay?
Hey, I mean, I've broken that a lot of times. And haven't got...
what party? Wait, are you guys saying most nuggets?
It's a 50%
Well, actually, is Moza here? Is Moza
frick is
here?
that?
I will go
No.
single.
I'm in the same server. What the heck?
That is the demon fish.
Hey, dude. Hey,
It's a key.
hey, yo, dude, can you move your mozo? Your mozo almost ate mine.
Well, you ate mine.
What? No, I didn't.
Actually,
Your
when you were
toes,
underwater,
Give me them
your
toes.
dude was in front and you ate it instantly.
Yo, you guys want to survive level 100 of them?
Oh yeah, dude, you need 2,000 XP on it to level 40. Oh, this fish tried to get away from me. Oh my god. Yo, I got a green booger fish. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus. No, no, no.
Kitsut,
No. No.
Kitsut, teach me how to get the new golden egg.
Oh, you gotta get a key from one of the clam shells and the...
What is that?
You gotta go... What? What is what?
The new dinosaur!
Mosasaurus?
What he was Mosasaurus?
Yeah, I bet. Level 0.
Yeah, we unlocked the surgeon. Does anyone want to do something? I'm trying to just
The answer is still no sign.
anything.
It took me 4 tries to get it. I'm pretty sure at this at level 50 is larger than that. Wait, yo, dude, could you pull out your level 100 magnum
Those are
medal
Mosasaurus.
so I could show you on how...
Those are Mosasaurus.
Ow, why is there a key? I don't want a key.
Oh my gosh! Yo, look at this! Look at this fish!
Yo, Blue,
Okay.
can I see if I'm larger than your
Those are
100?
for Mosasaurus. Those are
Man, I could eat this thing whole.
Okay.
You want it? You want my tiny little fish? There you go.
This thing is only level 40.
No, I need that.
Time to level us up to level 50. Hey, what are you doing in my car? No.
Yeah, that's what I need to do. Actually, never mind.
Yo, dude.
Oh my
What's my iguana
days!
done?
It
What's
doesn't
my
even
iguana
fit on the hook.
I know. It got skewered. I gave like.
Who wants to go defeat the new water boss?
I have it.
Yeah.
I have it.
Nobody said if you had it.
It says.
I know. I said, do y'all want to try to defeat the water boss?
We just got it.
I do.
Oh, those are 700. I need those.
You just got it?
No, we did it. We killed it like a little bit ago, like 5 minutes ago.
We killed it, but we didn't get it.
I heard the thing.
Excuse me.
heard
No,
It
that's
does not spawn in 5 minutes.
Bro!
Yeah,
That was it fully despawning, bro.
You should move right here.
Oh,
my
Are
God.
people fishing?
Wait, then I'm gonna server hop too.
Oh yeah, server up.
Oh my god.
Probably not gonna work, but
Wait, but what level is that? What level is this?
Hi, friend.
Level 41. Wait, can I trade? Can I trade?
I know
Can I
what
trade
it
for it? Can I trade this?
Yep.
Can I trade? Wait, can I trade this?
Well, what's his name again?
Can I just trade this, please?
Yeah,
On a
no.
high level. But you could just level up your own dude by the way. You said yes, I would have gave you this. I was gonna give you a list. Hey, you think I care? I already have that. A bundle one? Yes. Level 100? Yes.
Yes, level 28.
Oh yeah, dude. Every 6 levels, he gets bigger.
Ain't it every
yeah.
10?
No, every 6.
4, 3, 9, 7. Everyone, join the code 84397. Everyone join code 84397. Everyone join the code. I'm making a video.
Excuse me.
Everyone join code 84397. 84397.
Oh yeah, the adult angler gives 2,000.
Wait, what's the only fish you don't have? The pig fish?
Pig. Yeah.
Bro, that's just absolute cinema.
Oh yeah, I also caught the
Yo, I think my
crystal fish.
mosasaurus is pretty big.
What is 40% of
What?
10? Or 50? What is 40% of 50?
I don't know.
10.
Thank you.
Can someone buy me fishing rod?
Yeah, come over to the ocean map.
Let's go kill mosasaurus, guys.
I can. I'm trying to level up my whale.
Okay. No, bro, that's a pterodactyl.
Guys, give
That's a pterodactyl.
Give me a dino. Guys, give me a dino.
It ain't a pterodactyl.
It's a pterodactyl.
Oh my god, shut up.
Is your brain broken?
No, did your dad leave?
No.
Okay.
Give me your dino. Give me your dino right now. Give me your dino. Give me your dino.
No.
Just trade. I'll give you a trash dino
No.
for them.
Pineapple
Come
crane.
on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Bro, your mic sounds like you just went to a war.
No, this is literally one of the first things.
Does somebody have a pterodactyl? Do you guys have a pterodactyl?
Yes, I do.
Oh, I'm gonna
No.
trade my bundle pterodactyl.
That wasn't me.
Oh, who was it? Oh, it was this guy.
He left.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, dude. You do not want to know how long it takes to level 4.
Yo, if we get extra nuggets,
Yo, how about we start heading over to the
yeah, just don't say anything.
Yeah, I'm done leveling up for now. Yep. Did I get larger?
No. You got smaller. You got smaller. Yes.
Are you sure?
Who has raptor colors I don't have? Who has raptor colors I don't
I
have?
can see everything from up here.
Guys, who has raptor colors I don't have? Who has raptor colors I don't have? I really need Yo, James, can I see you next?
Nugs.
Can I please see you
I
next?
swear they still letting nugs hit every single nugget.
Do you have a laptop? Do you have a James. James Jules.
Yo, who has Moses Suggest?
I don't. James Jules. Can
Is this a pterodactyl?
I
Yo,
see
who has
next?
Moses Suggest?
Dude, your arm was freaking broken all the way
I
back
have
over there. Yo, James. James Jules. Dude.
But we're killing pterodactyl.
Yo, my index is trash. Holy crap.
Who has raptor colors I don't
Why do I
have?
have so many Tyrugs?
Yo, I'm Bunny. What's up?
Yo, wait, who just came?
Yo, I really want a Moses Suggest.
Crimson Possum. Yo, baby angler.
Yo, trading for Moses Suggest even though my index
Who
is
has raptos? Who has raptos? Who has tons of raptos they don't care about?
If we do a million
me.
games,
What's your offer?
I'm really trying to get raptos. I'm trying to get a lot of raptos, okay? Level 29! The only
Yo,
thing it's
wow.
me. Look,
What's up, pterodactyl?
these are the colors I need. These are the colors I need. I really need these colors. You have the color I need.
Yo, who has Moses Suggest?
I do. I have Moses Nuggets.
My offer booty butt buddy is on table.
I'm Bunny. Can I check for those colors? I don't got that. Please. I really need one. Yo, can I see you next?
Yo, who has Moses Suggest?
You don't got raptor.
Yo, who has Moses
colors I
Suggest?
don't have. Trade for raptor colors I don't have.
Yeah,
Trading for Moses Suggest. My offer's booty butt buddy.
shield the middle one.
Wow, my index is trash.
Yo, I'm Bunny. Raptors we got. You don't care about your raptors? Do you care about the raptors? Lower level.
How dare you.
Forward, can I give you a level 16 newbie for the raptors I don't have? Let me see your raptor index. Can I see your raptor index?
Carl, throw in the code 852.
Okay, yo, before you go, wait, hold up. What's the code?
Really big.
I want to get one.
852. 852.
Yeah, what's the code again?
Yo, what's a whale? I don't think there's any whales in Ugg.
Guys.
85285.
Unless your mom plays Ugg.
Guys, do you know how?
The code 85285.
Do you know how to play? I'm on my brother's
Okay, let's
account.
go.
You know how to play? I'm on my brother's
9,999 servers more to us people. Hey guys, wants to be a video with me?
Not me. I'm already making
I'm-
one.
I'm on my brother's account. How do I play this game?
We can do a video. I can show you how to play this game.
Video. What's a video?
I'm on my brother's
What's a
account.
video?
You're on your brother's account? Oh. Okay, can you press Y to see your index? I know it's your brother's account. I just want to see your brother's account. Okay, let it the chicken down. Wait, I want to see your brother's index. Press Y.
Oh, why? What code is that?
This is Y. This. This.
Oh,
Yeah. That. Can I? Can you do that?
I did that.
Oh, this is your brother's, right?
Uh-huh.
I don't think you're gonna glitch.
Nice, he has a good index. He said he's not gonna trade nothing, right?
No.
He's at school right now.
Okay, I want to tell you something. Never trade this guy. This is the best dino. Like, this is really good dino. While you have level 100, never trade these two, okay?
Okay.
That's really good dinos. Now,
Why is there fish?
press the
Why is there fish?
Lucky to have
It's
Yeah,
easy
press on the
to
fish, you can fish.
Let me go.
What, do I press on it?
Yeah. Ah, your brother has ultra
What's this fish?
Okay.
My brother has a live stream. My brother has
Okay,
live
press the
stream right
three
now.
lines on your
He's gonna
controller.
tell me to
You're
fucking 10 subs.
see numbers.
Wow. Numbers.
Yeah. Press 5, 6, 9, 8, 7.
Wait,
6,
5, 6. Oh, wait. 5,
Is he joining a new
6,
one?
9,
5, 6, 6.
9.
What
No,
if he does it
5,
backwards?
6, 9, 8, 7.
Oh, 5, 6. 5, 6, 9, 8, 7.
Oh my god.
Yeah, join.
Okay. Done. Yo.
What?
I'm doing a video about like different people if they'd be nice to a new player, and I found one person. I'm joining both of them.
I'm trying to join Newbie, bro, on his live stream, bro.
Yo,
My brother has it up and everything. I'm waiting for him to join a new one.
Who wants to go defeat Mosasaurus?
Yeah.
I already have 20 Mosasauruses.
Can
I have 20
before you
Mosasauruses.
leave? I want to find you.
If I literally get
Anyone got mother Moses Suggest I can trade
Wait,
for?
I'm finding you.
It's right
5 times
next
XP.
to you, by the way. What's you trading?
I send you friend request.
Is this mother?
I'm trading
Yeah, this mother.
I'm trading
See
all
ya.
This mother.
for mother
Yeah.
Moses Suggest.
Wait, what?
Did you hear it?
Okay. Hold up, I'll be right back.
You gotta turn it up so we can hear it. Oh, my Mosasaurus was drip.
Don't eat them. My dinosaur's a big guy. My dinosaur's a. Yo, okay.
Who is the mother Moses Suggest? Yeah, I'm going. Yeah.
Right, guys, wait, what's it called?
What level's that?
It's level 29.
Right,
Oh.
who owns Mosasaurus?
Not me.
Right, I
Me.
will give a Skelly Mag to the first person. I will trade a Skelly Mag and whatever fast
You joining a new one?
whatever it's called.
Is that
The first person
Yo.
to give me 3 steps.
Dude, we got
I actually got
Three
it.
one
You
of
have to
those.
see it.
You
No,
did?
'cause I won't be able to get.
Yeah,
Yep,
but it's
you know that
already
First person
despawned.
to give me 3 of
I
them will
didn't
get that,
need
and
it
that, I
anyways.
promise you, no scam, it's not Duke, this is never coming back. Never. Never ever
Bro,
coming
I
back.
do not.
Use it.
What?
It says
You
I'm
go
proof
use
on
it.
my collar. Says
Anyone wanna
it
offer
gives
Formosa
500.
circus egg? Anyone wanna offer Formosa circus?
What?
No one's giving you
Guys, please, this is never coming back.
You can go fuse. You can go fuse both of these.
That's
At
him
least
dying.
At least one or two.
Yeah, it's in there.
Trees, how about so I can hear it, just in case you.
Trading Mosa
Everybody go to Mojo.
We just killed Mozo.
Guys, who owns Mozo? Who owns the Mozo suburb?
Me, I do.
Yo.
It can be a level 0, it
Level
Level
30! Oh my
No,
god,
I'm just happy for
finally,
Mosa
man,
circus.
oh my god.
This is a pterodactyl.
Let's do